Go.
Happy birthday, Orly. All the best for your 30th. Hope you have lots of good times and presents and lots to drink.
Happy birthday, Aurelie. We wish you a very happy day and wish we were there.
What
do I say?
Bon anniversary.
Janelle say that. Oh,
Take
words also.
Say happy birthday.
Just Jackson. Just move.
No, look at the camera and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
And bon trente anniversaire, Aurelie. Come on, tell me who. Hi, Aurelie. Hang on. So maybe a great birthday, and I'll treat you right with lots of presents. We wish we could be there, but we can't. But have a great one anyway. Excuse me. What I wanted to say was I hope you have a fantastic day and all the best from the May family. Hope Aaron spoils you rotten. Say hello to everyone in France for us.